Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Ford F-250, stock number A6206. Starting right away up front, you have easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you do have alloy wheels. Those are wrapped with Continental tires. Taking a look inside, you have cloth interior. The center console can fold up to become an additional third seat in the front, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch and a rear backup camera, and your Ford bedliner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We are Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. Climate control. Your four-wheel drive controls are down here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this F-250 on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.